We're in half-assed garage.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and toaster ovens. Welcome back to Half-Assed Garage. What garage is it? Look at how pristine that one is. Oh. So we've done a slight tear down on it. Got the shock off. Just took a minute there. Thing's junk. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this bar in the middle off by taking this catastrophe that this kid messed up on and straightening it out. And yeah, there's supposed to be a tab here that got broken off. That looks like a factory weld, but then there's some boogers over here. So I'm just going to grind it down and then cut what's left of the weld. And weld another tab on. Line this all up on the motor, and put the motor and tire underneath. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this catastrophe is going to end up coming off, I think. It's kind of... We'll see. We'll see about that. But we need to definitely get this out of the way and get this off so we can mock it up on the motor.
Is the motor fucking bolted right there?
Huh? No, that's for the spring for the shock. For the kickstand rather. You hook a spring up to it.
For that?
Oh no, that's for the original. Yeah. So this has an extended swing arm, meaning that it has a slightly larger motor than the 49cc that was on it. When I mean slightly, I mean like 3 times the size, but that's fine. And it was moved back because the motor's so much bigger. So the original mounts, if you want to come over here with me for a moment, the original mounts were here, and it looks like there was a mount. One of these was the original mount for the shock back here. Maybe this was still it, and it was here. I'm not really sure. Did we tell them that the brakes didn't work on that go-kart?
No.
Yeah, fuck them. You'll figure it out. So yeah, you can see some booger welds here, but you could just see
It looks like they cut something.
that got lined up here.
They cut something off the frame there.
Yeah. This isn't lined up here. I don't know. We're gonna just go ahead and we're just gonna cut this thing down to what we need.
We're gonna get the motor mocked up in the front first. Or actually,
It's not going that far forward. It doesn't hit these mounts, it just hits these 2 mounts, and the end of the motor sits like right here. We can see where we'll end up sitting, but ultimately...
Where's this motor?
The motor's right here. We got these 2 mounts,
Oh yeah, it's just the 2 in the back and then
that one shock mount in the back, which is going to turn into 2 shock mounts because I have a second shock mount. We're going to end up doing one in here, to give me, you know...
Yeah, so I mean, I guess our main goal is just to get these cut off, cleaned up, fucking re-welded on.
Yeah, I got to clean up. Dude, look at these boogers.
I know, we have to...
Wow, these are terrible.
I'd cut these things right off and fucking just
I got new
make,
plate.
make new fucking...
Yep, we could drill new holes. I got new thick plate. Yeah, alright, so let's start fucking hacking this fucking slut apart.
Get the grinder, fucking fresh cut off, and I could definitely use a fucking ice cold Budweiser.
Yeah, but I got a couple 2 Tritos. Welcome to Half-Assed Garage, where safety is number 7 priority.
Stop that. Bring it back. This shit is hot.
Y'all ready to check this out? Austin, That shirt, still on fleek. Oh, I'm sorry. What is it? Pelt level loading? This is good. This is good. Finish banging that thing off there on the other side. Be good. Alright, check this out. Boom. Catastrophe to take off, by the way. Because someone ruined this fucking thing. Oh. Oh, yeah. We're going to have to grindy that off. And then I'll fill in some welds later on. But yeah, basically, we need another one of those somewhere over here to put 2 shocks. I got to get 2 shocks to replace that piece of shit. So yeah, let's flip her over and give you the flat paddle. Alright. So we got a little bit of a hairline cut in there that we're gonna have to fill. And then same with this side. This is a bit bigger than a hairline, but we'll just leave it on that side and the camera on that side. You can listen to that. Do that. So yeah, we're gonna just not let you guys see the side. And yeah, so this is cleaned up. We're just gonna clean up the welds off of that. And then mock it up for the most part, see where we're landing, see if anything's kind of landing right. But I definitely gotta clean these up, and then definitely we need to...
I think we need to honestly just mock this up and make a new one, because this thing's junk.
I do have plenty of metal to do that, actually.
I think it would be better off, because you're not fucking
Like this, like these fucking cuts are so fucking off. You're gonna have to take this one down like
Oh my god,
half
yeah,
an inch,
you're right.
that one down, and then you're gonna be into that little fucking stupid stamp out fucking bullshit. I'm pretty sure there's a ruckus at the junkyard we can go and fucking cut that section of the frame off.
I don't even need to. We'll just, I got plenty of metal. Check this out. Watch that.
I know,
So
but...
slice my leg open. So that's definitely more than thick enough. It's the same thickness. Yeah. So there's a. Look at that. We already got one fucking partly made. Yeah. But it would actually bring the ass end up and shit too.
I was gonna say, if you extend that, you get the thing a little fucking lift kit.
Well, yeah, bring the ass up.
And I mean, I don't know if we're not utilizing these anymore. It might even be worth to cut them off because they've been grinding on the street.
Yeah,
This
definitely
thing.
cut those off. Now, if we're already here. Alright, so as you saw, we're trying to like mock some stuff up here, see what's going on with it, see what we have to remake entirely, see what we can reuse, etc. I need to do some more mocking up. I like the frame height. The frame height is good, so that's ultimately what I want. So I think, but the carb sits really high up, so I'm just kind of, I guess there is kind of a decent amount of room underneath it, right? So I could actually move that up quite a number of inches and get this bracket and copy it, basically redo it, and ultimately has to pivot up more, give me more clearance on the engine, which is a good thing. So yeah, you can see we need shocks from here to here, and then here to here is going to go another one. So we have the dual shocks in the back. Because it's extended, it'll be a little bit more squishy. It'll have a different axis here. But yeah, we can definitely lift that motor up plenty. Get that tucked back, get that tucked up underneath the seat real nice. So when it explodes, it puts, you know, shrapnel in my asshole. So yeah, gonna call it a night tonight. And remember to comment, like, subscribe. Check out this kid and his shirt. And I'm looking to see if we get some more people to buy.